Juliet A. Singleton.
We will discuss about the Korean flag, Korean term,
The Korean flag, which is also called as the Taegukgi, has three parts: the white background, the red and blue Taeguk, and the four triangles, which inherited by the Korean people from the Chinese heritage.
history. The official Chinese-Korean meeting was held to discuss the question about the Korean flag, called as Taegukgi. Ma Jianshou, who is a Chinese delegate, promoted the use of the yin-yang spiral, red and blue, and a combination of the triangles, and imposed his views to the Korean delegate, Kim Ho-chi. After that, Korea eventually adopted its flag under Chinese pressure and used it for first diplomatic mission. In the year of 1882, the flag was edited by these two persons, Lee Go-yo and Pak Yong-yo. Then, in the year of March 6, 1883, Taegukgi was adopted as the national flag of Joseon Dynasty. After the independence, the North Korea later changed its national flag to a more Soviet-inspired design after 3 years. Then, on the year of July 12, 1948, the South Korea has officially adopted the Taegukgi as a national flag.
Julian Arthurida appeared to report the colors of the Taegukgi. Well, the official colors of Taegukgi are specified in the Ordinance Act of the law concerning the national flag of the Republic of Korea. Well, there was no specification for the shade of colors, that is until 1997, because when South Korean government decided to provide standard specification for the flag. And on October 1997, Presidential Ordinance of the Standard Specification of the Flag of the Republic of Korea was promulgated, and the specification was succeeded by the National Flag Law of 2007.
I will discuss about the colors of the South Korean national flag. The South Korean national flag named Taegukgi. The name was derived from a kind of circle in the center. The circle is divided equally and in perfect balance. The red upper section represents the yang, and the lower blue section represents the yin. According to the traditional Oriental philosophy, the two symbolize the great cosmic forces which oppose each other but achieve perfect harmony and balance. The Taeguk circle stands for the eternal principle that everything in the universe is created and developed through the interaction between yin and yang. Thus, the symbolizes creation and development. The white background of the flag symbolizes the purity of the Korean people and their peace-loving spirit. The flag as a whole symbolic of ideal of the Korean people to develop forever together with the universe.
Four triangles. The four triangles following the circle denote the process of union, going through a spiral change. The three broken lines at the upper left represent the heaven or good. The three broken lines at the lower right represent earth or good. The two unbroken line with the broken line represents water or earth. The two unbroken line with the broken line represent fire or wind. Triangles are described in this table. This line is also known as heaven, in Korean term beyond. Nature, sky, in Korean term joy. Season is spring, in Korean term go. The cardinal directions is east, in Korean term do. The virtue is humanity, and the family side is father or abodi in Korean. And the meaning of it is justice. The second line is also known as fire, in Korean term green. The nature is sun, which means tiger in Korean. The season is autumn or path. Cardinal directions south, in Korean term na. Justice is a virtue the family sign is dot. In Korean term, dal. And the meaning of it is fruit shop. The third line is also known as water. In Korean term, rak. The nature of it is moon, which means wool in Korean. And the season of it is winter of Yeol. Cardinal directions, north or both. The four virtues, intelligence, and the family sign is sun, which means useful. The four elements is water, and the meaning of it is wisdom. The fourth line is also known as earth. In Korean term, oil. The nature of it is earth, or jigu yuso. The season is summer, or Yeol. Cardinal direction, west, or south, and the virtue is for the sea. The family